Good day, peeps. Me again, Denner, and today I'm going to show you how to set up your VR on your PC the cheapest way possible. Check it out. So if you're into gaming like me, so I've been streaming for a long time already, and I try to discover new things like immersive playing, which is virtual reality. So lately when I was driving, I'm trying to think of ways to immerse myself in the game, and what more way to do it than to use a VR headset. But in order to do this, you have to pay a lot of dough in order to get a VR kit. So like the Oculus, the Sony VR kits, the HTC will cost you around $500 to $700. So if you have the money, then do it. But for people like me, who's a cheapskate and likes it for free, then you can use this software called the Ivory software, which is also free. So first thing you need is, of course, an iPhone or a phone with a gyroscope. And to check if you have a gyroscope, just go to your App Store or your Play Store and search for gyroscope test, and make sure that your phone is already gyroscope ready. Cross your fingers right there, folks. So if it's gyroscope ready, then you can play VR by using this software called the Ivory software that you can download on your iPhone. So search for it, just type IVRY and just download it, and make sure that that thing is running. So of course, if you have the phone and you have the free Ivory software on your phone installed, then you need to buy, of course, a VR headset, which costs around $2 to $5. Mine is already just $2. I think it's cheap, and I can use this. I've been using this for my drone flight as well, and it's very simple that you can use. You can also try to do VR Cardboard, Google Cardboard, and that's the cheapest way possible on doing it. And once you download the Ivory software on your iPhone, make sure it's connected via USB. You also need to install SteamVR. If you don't have Steam yet, you can create an account on Steam and download SteamVR on your PC. So before I start sharing you again, please do subscribe on my YouTube channel, Denner Vlogs, and on my Facebook gaming page, Denner the Gamer. Like and follow me there. And let's proceed to SteamVR. So if you already have Steam account, then that's good for you. But if you don't want, you can simply create one on Steam, and just in the interface, you can simply type in SteamVR. SteamVR. So type in SteamVR on the search bar, and you can see there's the SteamVR right here. Not the Steam device monitor, but the SteamVR. Just click on this, and it will let you go into the download page of SteamVR. And as you can see, this is a good example of how immersive you are in a game if you have the kit. And this will also depend on the games available on Steam if they are VR ready. So take note of that. So I'll be playing City Car Driving, which is also VR ready, Euro Trucks 2, which is also VR ready. So you need to search first if the games you're playing is VR ready. Okay, so if you're interested to other VR games available out there, just view it on Steam, since SteamVR is the one main function on this. So just click on VR, and then you can have a variety of games out there. There's Pavlov VR, VR Chat, Elder Scrolls, and this will also depend on the kit you have. So mine is just a headset. I don't have a controller, but I have a steering wheel. So it all depends on what you have. And anything with the VR support here, you can play the game. So if you need to download this now, just download it, then you're good to go. You also need to download the Ivory for Steam VR. So if you try to search IVRY here, and it will lead you to multiple Ivory apps available on Steam. But take note, you can download the free version on the upper part. And what's the difference about this on the other ones? Well, number one, it's free, which is I like. And number two, the drawback is only in monochrome. Monochrome means it's only in black and white color on the VR headset, which is also dull. And if you like the performance, then you can buy the driver for SteamVR, which is $10, $14, $15 only. So that's the thing you need if you really need to buy this software. There's also available in multi-platform premium edition. And for now, I'm gonna download this. I'm gonna click on the free one. The good thing about this, you can use your iPhone, your Android. Also, it is compatible with Gear VR, Oculus Mobile, or Sony PSVR. Lets you run SteamVR and Oculus Rift PC VR titles without a dedicated PC VR headset. So that's the main thing about Ivory. You don't need to buy the Oculus Rift, which will cost you around $500 to $700. And once you downloaded this app, you can now have the SteamVR running. Like I said, I'm going to use City Driving, which is a virtual VR ready game. Okay, so right now I'm going to connect my phone using my virtual box headset. Gonna plug it in. And make sure that the cable is on the other end. Okay, so make sure that Ivory is already running and it's waiting for a connection. So the connection will be done via cable right here. Make sure that the buttons is not resting. So now there's adequate allowance. There's the power button right there. So you need to center this a little bit. So once you saw the center of the phone, now's the time to connect it in the headset. You put the cable inside the hole right here and make sure it goes to the other end until, so now that the wire is on the other end, it's time to plug it. So now it's plugged and now it's waiting for the connection. So it's now plugged in right here, the cable. And you can also have another cable here if the PC is on the right side and if it's on the left side. So my PC is on the left side, so that's why I put the cable here. And you can use an extender in order to make this move the headset freely. Okay, let's go back into SteamVR. So now it's time to open SteamVR just by double clicking SteamVR. If you see this icon, it means that SteamVR headset is now being detected. And you can also see here in the screen, and you can also see in the screen that VR is already being activated. And of course you can click on this one and room setup. So if you like to check out the room setup, set this up. So if you are familiar with the SteamVR setup, then you can skip this, but for those who are starting new with the SteamVR, just click on room setup and it will let you calibrate the settings in order to a full optimization of the gameplay. So as you can see, we can only be standing only because we're only driving. So I'm just sitting, so it's actually sitting only. You can click on sitting, it means that the headset is already ready, it's being detected. Then you click next and you need to calibrate the center. So you need to aim your camera in the center. Okay, so now that you need to calibrate this in the center, make sure calibrate this, and this is the center. You just need to aim the VR headset directly to the monitor or straight where you are going to wear this. So example, me in my eye view, I should put it like this and then calibrate, then next. And the height of the VR headset from the floor is about 20 inches, I guess, or maybe 20 inches. 20. Put it in inches, and you can click calibrate the floor. So I'm gonna make it a bit higher, and click on next, and then you're done. So to further check if SteamVR is working, you click out the option here, and there's a tutorial also if you like. So you see, that's the headset right there. I'm aiming the camera up and down, and I can't see anything. Wait. Oh, nice. Whoa! What is happening? What you doing there? Yes.
Welcome to virtual reality, or VR. This is where.
So that's the tutorial. So you can also click on here, and if you need to reset the position, you can reset the position here. You can click on display VR view, and if you click on display VR view, you can see the dock view right there, or you can full screen this, and this is actually what what I'm seeing inside. So the rendering process is a bit laggy, maybe because of the cable, it's disconnecting. Nice view, great view. It's up, looking down the floor. Pwede. Okay. If the headset now works. So the only drawback here on my screen on the phone is it's in black and white, it's in monochrome. But here on the monitor is colored, but here it's monochrome. So if you are satisfied and it's already working, then it's up for you if you like to buy the Ivory software. If I were you, support the developers and buy the software. And click on settings, and as you can see, settings, general, you can tweak around with this, the grid sense, the controller, if you have a controller, the video, the audio. So if you double click on the Ivory settings on the lower right of the taskbar, then you can check out the performance of your device or your smartphone. So mine is an Apple iPhone 10. So okay, so let's try to run this on city driving. I'm gonna open up city driving to make sure that the cable is properly connected. Otherwise, if it's disconnected, you will have an issue. To move around your headset, so make sure you have adequate space. So again, we go to settings and we go to graphics. Make sure that monitor and VR goggles is okay, and we click apply, and then let's go to free driving. Start. Okay, so now I'm actually in the game, and as you can see, if I move around the headset, it goes left, left, center, right, and if I go around, I can even see the back side. And let's try to wear this. I'm gonna wear this and let's see if it will work. Look at me. So I can look both ways now. And my driving sucks. So I'm gonna reverse. Check out if there's someone behind me. Ay, caramba! Wow, you are really immersed. Cops, cops, cops. Ah, sorry about that, dude. Whoa, yield. Stop. And you can check also the people in the streets by looking on the right. You can check out the side mirror and the rear view mirror and the map on the lower corner. Excuse me, sir. 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 Excuse me, sir. 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 So you have to be very careful while you're wearing the VR headset, because like I said, it makes you feel dizzy because you're disoriented. Slight movements of the headset will add a little bit of dizziness and you might be disoriented. So you have to press the centering button right here to make it center. So you have options for that, and it depends on the game. So now you know how to drive on virtual realities. So I hope I was able to help you guys in setting up VR the cheapest way possible, just by using your existing phone, the cheap VR goggle headset, and the Ivory software. If the video was able to help you, please do subscribe and support me on my YouTube channel, Denner Vlogs, and also like and follow me on my Facebook gaming page, Denner the Gamer. See you again on the next stream. Bye bye.
Please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the upper left and on the lower right. Peace.